Welcome to Nutralab, a leader in probiotic manufacturing. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of our state-of-the-art facilities in Canada. Our independent manufacturing areas are designed with the highest standards to ensure quality and purity. Each probiotic product is packaged with care, ensuring that they remain potent and effective until they reach your hands. Our skilled team follows strict protocols to maintain a sterile environment, from cultivation to packaging. Using advanced technology, we encapsulate live, beneficial bacteria that help support your digestive health and well-being. Nutralab is committed to delivering only the best. Our floor plans are meticulously designed to separate different stages of production and packaging, ensuring the highest quality of probiotics. Nutralab, nurturing health innovations that matter. Visit us online to learn more.